Hello everyone. Today I will show you how are you going to create assignments using Edmodo. So first you have to choose which class do you want to create an assignment. So click your classes here and choose which class are you going to post or create an assignment. So for example, I will choose remote learning sample class. And then on the right side of your screen, you will see on your dashboard the plus sign or create or the addition sign here. So just click it and then click assignment. You can see here new, or you can load existing assignments. So I'll click new assignment. And then you have to fill out the assignment details. So for example, you have your assignment title. So I am teaching science. I'll make an assignment about cell structures and functions. Then here you can write your instructions. So first, for example, I can ask my students to draw an animal cell in an A4 paper. Color each structures and label the parts. So that's an example. And you can add attachments if you want it. Okay. Or you can also add a link. For example, if you have a link to vocabulary flashcards, or you have a link for your YouTube video that you wanted them to watch, or you can also add websites or articles that you wanted them to read. Or you can also add from your library. And then you can click assign. Here you can choose which class are you assigning to. If you're assigning it to 2, 3, 4 classes, you can add here as well. So for example, I have my science 6, let's say. Okay, so I can also add them. Then you can select when is the due date. So for example, the due date of this will be on Friday, July 31. And then I can choose the time here. You can also choose to lock after the due date. And then you can add to gradebook or progress if you want it to be part of the grading or the grades or grading sheet for your class. Then you can click assign. If you want to schedule it later, for example, this is for tomorrow's class, so I'm going to schedule it for later. I can choose the date for tomorrow, which is Wednesday 9, and then I can choose the time, which is, let's say my class is 9 a.m. So I can just choose 9 a.m. Then I can assign it to my class. And there you will see the item has been sent. Now you might not see the post here yet in your stream. You can click schedule posts and there you will see it. So there's the date, which is July 29, 2020, 9 a.m. So it will be sent July 29, 9 a.m. And you will see here the due date, which is on Friday, July 31, 11:59 p.m. Now, if in case you want to edit this, you can edit the post. You can also choose to delete the post, or you can reschedule it. Or if you want to send it now, you can also click send now. Okay, that's it. That's how you can create an assignment using Edmodo. Enjoy and have fun learning.